Hello friends, welcome to our Photoshop tips and tricks. The video we are watching today is, how to create mockup using the Arc Warp option in Photoshop. Click Layer option and unhide the first layer. And Ctrl+T and right-click to Warp option and top side click on Arch option. And click Point to adjust to down. And click Enter. And then select Layer option and first layer to multiply option click. And second layer image to right-click to select pixels. And click first layer to click Layer Mask. Then look at the image. Thank you for watching videos.